traders, Anthony here, pound dollar on the daily. All right, look where we are. Traded down into this key level balance area. I'll just mark that up, and I'm going to go down the time frames and give you my take on this. So we're trading into this level here, 4-hour chart, and I mean, as you can see on the daily, this has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we've got this fifth wave 3, and also a 3 drive, more or less. Drive 1, drive 2, drive 3. Given that we've traded down into this level here, I'm looking for an opportunity to probably short this, actually. But let's just go down and have a look at it. 4H. What have we got? All right, so 4-hour trending down, quite nice. But be wary when we travel into levels like this. Big support zone, 4H. All right, so that's nested with this daily. What I will do with this is I'll grab this level here and just map it out, because I want to go down to the lower time frame, and I'll give you my take on an entry. So we've got this 4H level, we've got this 4H level. So I'm just picking these green candles prior to these bearish moves. 4H, right. There'll be levels where the market is most likely going to interact, and most importantly is this green candle here. We'll just grab that. In fact, I'll tell you what, I might just go for a day trade. Let's just head down time frames and I'll get closer to this. But like on the 4H, we've got this nested here. But you know, I mean, I think this is the key. This level through here, that's really important. And I'll show you why. See how we've got this price grinding up, and then we get this really strong move here. I mean, have a look at the trend. Fib retrace, okay. Trades down and we get the retrace. Down and then we get the retrace. Trades down and then we get the retrace. All right, the pullback 61.8. I'm thinking that we could get, if we grab that, see the yellow zone here? All right, so I'm looking for a move back up into here, and then I'm think that would be a point where I'm interested in possibly shorting it. So let's just take this down to, in fact, what I will do, I'm going to grab that. That's the 1 hour time frame. So this is really the key level for me, this 1 hour, nested in with these 4H. All right, so we've got everything marked up. Let's go down now to 15. What we'll do is we're going to mark up London Open, Asia Close, New York Open. So let's just grab that London Open. And that kicks off at 3 p.m. New York time. I've got my chart set to New York. So that's the London Open. See how it's grinding up into the London Open, and we get this sort of 3 drive pattern here. 1, 2, 3, right there. And then we get this really strong bearish move here, right? And we have, on the 15-minute time frame, we've got this imbalance right here. So we can regard this as a balance area, a balance of buy and sell activity. And then we get this bearish imbalance. So that is going to be a target for me for a short. So I'm just going to mark that up, imbalance, and we'll call it, what is it, 15 minute? Yeah, 15-minute time frame. And if we get a move back up into here, in fact, before I do this, cancel that. We need to keep an eye on the Asia close. This is a really important Asian session close. This is a very important time frame between the London Open here and the Asia close. So we've got the Asia close at 5, and we're kind of heading into it. All right. Now I'm wondering now, we see this rotate. See how it rotated at the London Open? Now I'm going to be looking for the rotation here, back up into this level. And then we've got the New York Open. Now we'll just pick up that, and that could be the New York Session Open, and that kicks off at 8 right there. Okay, 15-minute chart. So let's just go down to a 5M, get closer to the action. So this is the plan of attack. Right, I know that there's support here, this is resistance, but let's just get rid of this, because I'm going to work off mainly. All right, we'll grab that, and we'll grab that. That'll do. This is the area that I'm interested in through here. So we got this distribution level here on the 4H and 1H. Right, we've got this movement here. It's grinding into the London Open. It spikes up, it takes out buy-side liquidity, and then it tanks. At some stage, this will trade back up, I would think. And if we get a move, however it works, but I'm looking for this kind of an opportunity. I don't know how it's going to shape up, but Now you want to just keep an eye, it's going to rotate here, and then do we get the opportunity around the New York Open? You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's just kind of set up some kind of, and then we want to see the rotation around the New York Open, and then lower highs, lower lows. And then hopefully this is going to set up the high of the day through here. But just keep an eye on how this is trading between this blue line and this orange line. And does that set up the high of the day? And do we get the opportunity to enter in here? I'm looking for a short in here. Stop above there for now. But I would say TP, yeah, you want to take your money early. Go for broke with that. But I'm going to go, if we get a fill here, my TP is going to be, grab this. I'll show you this. I'll show you what I've done with this. This is the fib extension tool. And I'll show you what I've done here. I'll just open it up for you. You can take a screenshot. I've got 0, and then I've got this -1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 blah. And I've also got 0.8, and I'll explain that. So 0.8, this is 1-to-1 risk reward down here at 1. And I like to take my 70% off, or 2/3 off, kind of around this 0.8 to 1-to-1 risk reward. Just have a look left and see what we got. We've got this balance area here. So it kind of coincides with that. See that? Look at that. And 0.8 kind of works nicely at the, well, I think that would be a good TP1 at the higher of these this range here. So we'll just call that TP1. It's not quite 1-to-1, but that'll do me. And I'll take most of my position off there, T1. So hopefully we get a fill here, and then T1 happens around here. After that, you pull your stop loss down and trail it, because it'll be amazing if this set up for a bearish. I don't know if it's going to set up for a bearish week, but anyway, this is a day trade idea, guys, for today. And yeah, that's it. I think I give this about an 80% chance of working out. Stop loss can always get taken out, so don't go crazy with your position size. All right? I always calculate this risk very carefully. So yeah, do that. All right, guys, comment. Smash the likes, do all that. I hope you have a great day. Click the links below and check out our Telegram group. It's free. Okay, let's see you in the next one.